Hey family, peace, peace, peace. I am Almedia Lee Exum, and welcome to my podcast. To everyone, happy Life Day. Happy L-I-F-E Day. Happy Life Day. Every day that we are living is a day to be celebrated. It's true. So happy Life Day. I want to thank you all for your support and for tuning in. Remember to click that like button and subscribe button. It helps with the algorithm for the channel, so really appreciate that. The motivational message of today is the grateful one. The motivational message of today, again, is the grateful one. What do I mean? What do I mean when I say the grateful one? It's so important to practice gratitude. Be the grateful one. Practice gratitude. Gratitude has transformed my life, has shifted and transformed my life. You all know when I started being more grateful for everything, it really changed my life and I was able to receive so much more. You all, I have this law of attraction planner that I use. I've been using for a couple of years and you just get a new one every year. And I love the ones that you can fill in. There's something that they do in the planner where every morning and every night you ask yourself these questions to raise your vibration. And it's gratitude questions. And you know what the questions are? What are you thankful for today? Who loves you and who do you love? And all these different questions to make you thankful. What do you love most about life? All these different things to raise your vibration. And someday I'll come and show you all. And I'm going to have to do a video just on that alone, how that law of attraction planner has really helped transform my life. But the whole idea of gratitude has shifted my life. I started being thankful for the little things. And the little things became the big things. You know, I started to be grateful for all of my family members. I would list them. And it's a small group of us. It's not that many of us, siblings. But I have tons of nieces and nephews. And I started being thankful for everyone. I thank this person. I'm thankful for that person. Who do I love? I would list everyone I loved. Because at times, we don't realize that we're loved. But when you start listing who loves you, look, even if it's just your dog or your cat, or your baby brother or sister, that could be a big thing. It makes a difference when we show gratitude. And when we state things like, okay, I'm thankful for my mom and my dad. My mom and my dad love me. I love them. I'm grateful for that, you know? And I'm not talking about me personally. I'm just saying like these are examples you can use in your life. Thankful for, you know, you can be thankful for everything. What are you grateful for today? Be the grateful one. And I want you all to comment below letting me know if you're going to practice being the grateful one. I say it like this because it's so zen, but I promise it's helped me. In times where I felt like I don't have control and grasp over everything I want, I felt like things weren't working out in my life and my career. You know, I felt like things weren't working out just in life. I started to look around and I started to be thankful for everything. I'm thankful that I have food to eat. Even at times where I felt like I didn't have enough food. I knew I didn't have enough food at times. I felt like, life wasn't fair. I felt like, oh, why do I have to, at times I had to work jobs I didn't want to work. And I was like, oh, I don't want to work these jobs. But thank you. Thank you. I'm able to work. I'm physically fit. Some people would love to have my legs, would love to have my arms, would love to have my eyes, would love to have my voice. Thank you. I have a voice. I have eyes to see the sunrise and the sunset. I'm able to breathe with my lungs. My lungs are strong. I'm able to breathe and take in the flowers and take in good aromas and good smelling food. I'm grateful that I'm able to think and I have creativity. And I'm grateful for my ambition and I'm grateful for my willpower and I'm grateful for my optimism. I'm grateful that I believe in happy life days. No matter how dewy-eyed, dreamy, and unrealistic that may seem. I'm grateful I have this spirit to keep going. And I would practice these and I want to encourage you, like me, to be the grateful one. You don't want to be the cranky one, the negative one, the mean one, the never gets enough of anything one. The never happy one. You don't want to be that. Be the grateful one. You know, when I've practiced gratitude, I've literally, manifested money in my life, healthy relationships and friendships in my life. I've manifested opportunities to make money, like I said, opportunities to make money, blessings. I've manifested auditions. I used to write down like what I wanted to accomplish in like a 5 to 7 year plan. And sometimes I look back at that plan and I see the things that I didn't get, but I see all the things that I got. And as an artist, I used to get really discouraged when I wasn't going to auditions because I would be submitting myself all the time for a lot of stuff. And you know what I started doing? Instead of shifting and starting getting anxious when I wasn't getting auditions, every time an audition came, I would write it down. I'm thankful for this audition. I'm thankful for this callback. I'm thankful for this audition. This casting director called me in for another project. I'm thankful for this. Instead of the whole idea of booking the project, I just was thankful for auditions. And you know what, you all? I would look back and see all the times I was thankful and all the auditions I was going to. Many of them I didn't book, but I would see all of these auditions. And I would look back and I would be like, wow, I have a busy life. It doesn't feel busy, it feels stagnant. But think about people who didn't even get to go into the room for this audition. I would think about that. Or when I would book something and I'm like, wow, I actually got booked for that. Or wow, that was such a big role. I didn't get it, but like this person actually got casted in. They're a big deal, And so I was thankful for the little things. In my family life, I used to, feel like I had to just always share all of my opinions and belief with my siblings. And, I started to get to a point where I was just grateful for them. We don't always have to agree, My siblings and I don't always have to agree. Just like no one truly always agrees, But I started to be grateful just to have them. I would say, you know what? I'm grateful that I have my siblings. I'm grateful that they have their personalities, their beautiful personalities that are so different from mine and some similarities. And I'm grateful that no matter what, I know that we have each other. Even if, we're not talking, we have each other because we've seen each other through so much. And I started to be grateful for that. Maybe you all are experiencing that in love relationships, family relationships, or, business relationships. You don't agree with everything. It's easy to complain, but you choose to be grateful for people's good qualities. You choose to be grateful for the little things. I heard this quote. This is really funny. I heard this. It says, got no checkbooks, got no banks. Still, I'd like to express my thanks. I got the sun in the morning and the moon at night. Isn't that cool? Got no checkbook, got no checkbooks, got no banks, so they ain't got no money. Still, I like to express my thanks. I got the sun in the morning and the moon at night. There have been times where I felt lost in life. And I would go and sit and watch the sunset and the sunrise. And I would be so grateful for that. And I would look up to the moon and thank the moon because I feel like we're connected to the planet and to the moon and to each other. But that's a whole nother story for another day. And I would thank the moon for its beauty. I would thank the water. I'm the grateful one, but you can be too in your own way. But, I would just be thankful for the little things because that's what really matters. If you enjoy the little things day by day, one day you'll look up and realize they were the big things. Spending time with your family and your friends. And if you have kids, your kids, don't let them outgrow you. I saw one of my nieces after not seeing her for a long time. I saw her maybe like 2 months ago. I saw her and she had gotten taller than me. I felt so bad. I was like, oh my gosh, I haven't seen her in a minute. She's outgrowing me. It's important to spend time with the children in your family. Spend time with your loved ones. Spend time with your pets. Pet lovers, spend time with your pets. It matters. They won't be here forever, just like you won't be here. Just like your parents won't be here and your loved ones won't be here. I think enough people don't talk about that. Like, I'm going to include the pets. Their lives matter. Enjoy the little things. And I started thinking about the little things that we can enjoy. If you're just like, well, where do I start out, media? Look, you can enjoy when you get up in the morning. Enjoy the process of brushing your teeth, looking at yourself in the mirror. Say a few I ams. I am beautiful. I am valuable. I am more than enough. I am loved. No matter what, I am enough, more than enough. I am becoming more and more of my best self. Enjoy the process. Be grateful for the process of eating your favorite dessert. Practice that. Eating something that you really like and just saying, you know what, I'm thankful for this. That moment. Spending time with your family and children, like I said, or taking walks in the park. Somebody would love those legs of yours, or would love to be in a park and they live somewhere where there's no parks. Enjoy and be grateful for those little moments. Be grateful for that time that time you spend every week watching your favorite show. Be grateful for those talks with your family and friends and your boyfriends and girlfriends, husbands and wives. Be grateful for those phone calls with your friends. Be grateful for that time of silence. Be grateful for those still moments. Be the grateful one. You hear me? That is the motivational message of today. I hope it inspired you. I hope it encouraged you. I hope that you were able to chew on this fruit from the tree of life. Remember to click that like button and subscribe button. It helps out with the algorithm. And remember that you can follow me on Instagram, Twitter, SoundCloud, and of course, Facebook and YouTube at my name, Alameda Lee Exum. Remember that you are loved, you are valuable, and you matter. Life is a gift to be celebrated. And if you believe it, the world loves you. And if you believe this, you will start to shift and see that all of your wants and needs are being taken care of. I believe that. It's one of my mantras I tell myself. Remember to be grateful. Be grateful for life and all that you have in your life. And remember to have a happy life day.